I had a box today on my porch when I came home. I wasn't really expecting it, from Darren in New Jersey. There was no other note or anything giving me the screen name. But anyway, inside of that box was some really cool locks. First was an Eagle US issue padlock, and we'll get to that later. It's got a really freaky looking keyway. And then there's this really cool Yale stainless steel shackled. Even more exciting is that it's actually a Dimple lock. There's the bitting, 6 pins, kind of cool. And it does work. It does. Try that again. Okay, it's perfect. Perfect. It's like brand new. There's no rust. Darren, I don't think you had this outside, buddy. This is in great shape. So let's just see if we can pick this thing before dinner time. Alright, so this might be a little harder to see since it is a dimple pick. I got to go in just a little bit different angle, so you might not be able to see everything. I'll try to keep it centered though. Okay, a little bit of tension. And on dimple locks, because the pins are already all the way to the top, a little tight, I like to start from the front. But it doesn't really matter where you start. It's just my system. It works for me. And it's also a little awkward working around the camera, but again, we'll make it work. I'm trying to find a binding pin here. Not really finding a lot. No, all's pretty springy. I might have to try with a little more tension. This might be one of those lock. Well, maybe not. There we go. Open. A Yale stainless steel shackle. Looks like about a 50 millimeter. Kind of a cool lock. Heavy duty. It's very sturdy, very heavy duty. Well machined. There you go. Anyway, Darren, thank you very much. I appreciate the locks. You want them returned, I'll be happy to send them back to you. Just drop me an email. And I'll get cracking on this Eagle US issue. This looks like it might be quite a challenge. All right, thanks a lot. Everybody stay safe and stay legal.